Hi ladies, so as you can see I have a graham cracker here, but before we get into what we're going to do today, I just want to read your learning target. So today is Thursday, April 30th, and today you are going to be able to identify halves, so I can identify halves in a given shape. So I have my shape here, and right now you should be asking yourself, well, what kind of shape is this? And this is a rectangle. So in this shape, a rectangle, which is a graham cracker, we want to try to divide it into halves. Okay, so if you're going to divide something into half, you want to split it up equally into two different parts. So it got a little crummy, but if I wanted to split this up equally, all I would do is break it. Now I could have some and I could give some to maybe a friend, right? Or maybe my mom or my dad. So there's two equal parts in one half. And if you put it together, it's going to make a whole again. So this is half. So you're splitting it right in half. And then this is a whole. Okay, so we're going to talk about that tomorrow as well. So keep that in your brain. I'm going to switch quick to the whiteboard. So now I have a piece of paper, and I know it's hard to tell because it's on the whiteboard. But this is a piece of paper, and this is my one whole. So the whole paper, this is one whole. This is also one whole. I just wrote it both ways just so you can see it. What I did was I took another piece of paper, which is here, and I cut it in half so it was two equal pieces. And I made one half. Now you can see that it still lines up with the other piece of paper, but I have one half here and one half here. Okay, and they're two equal parts. So when you're dealing with halves, you have to ask yourself, is it split up equally? Because if I'm going to be sharing a cookie and I'm not going to get an equal part and you're going to get more than me, then I'm going to be a little upset because I love cookies. Okay? So this is one half. You can write it with words, one half or 1/2. And we'll talk about this more. Not yet. Okay? So that's one half. Now, I'm going to give you some shapes to try it with. So if I was going to draw this shape, now I'm going to try my best with my shapes to make them equal and take my time. How would you make that shape and draw it and split it into halves? Well, it's similar to the paper, so you could split it like this. Where's my pencil? Vertically. Or you could also split it like this, as long as it's equal. So I'm going to split it like this just to show you a different way. So I still have two equal parts. Now, let's think of maybe a triangle. And I'm trying to make my shapes equal and neat. So I have a triangle. Well, how are you going to split this in half? Can you split it in half this way? Is that going to be equal if you split it in half this way? No, right? So you want to think of a different way. Maybe you can do it vertically. Let's try that. Yeah. If I folded that triangle on top of that one, they would be equal. They'd be the same, and that's what we want to see. So what I want to do is I'm going to put a couple of shapes on the board, and you guys can copy them down. Try your best with copying, okay? Don't get upset if it's not perfect. And then I want to see you, if you can split these shapes up into equal pieces. I'm also going to give you some different ideas. I'm going to put things like this here in it, and you're going to tell me if that's split in half. So be careful because you should see that this side has a lot less and this side has a lot more. So you should know that that's not split equally in half. Okay. So I put these on the board for you guys to practice splitting things in half. And remember, you could do this with a lot of different things. Maybe you're eating an apple or Maybe you have crackers or cheese. You can try to split it in half. Of course, get permission. Make sure you're doing the right thing. Explain to grown-ups that this is for math and you're just trying to practice. Pick up your messes if you make any. Okay. Now, number 1, I have a circle and then a triangle, a square, a triangle, and a circle. So your job is to see, is it split in half properly? Please be careful because I did try to trick you. You want to ask yourself, are those 2 equal pieces? If it was a cookie, would we be getting the same amount? Or pick your favorite food or your dessert. If it was a brownie, would you be getting the same amount? That's what you want to make sure you're doing in each of these. So try that. Let me know how you do if you have any questions. And I will be back tomorrow with our graham crackers so we can practice something different. Bye.